case scenario, he does have a machine that steals smiles from children.
Aww. How cute is he? Him too. He's not gonna burp. I was gonna tell you that. Aww. Whoops. Hey, baby. Hi.